Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that epic chain token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, epic chain EPIC is a next generation layer 2 blockchain evolved from Eternity chain focused on bringing real world asset RWAs and entertainment on chain with the deep integration into XRP ecosystem. Evolved from a collectibles pioneer into an RWA focused layer 2, targeting a multi-trillion dollar market in assets like real estate and commodities. Built as an EVM compatible sidechain on the XRP ledger, leveraging its speed and settlement efficiency for institutional grade applications. Feature a consumer ready ecosystem with products for spending, collecting, and earning, aiming to bridge crypto with real world use. Epic chain token total supply is 33.6 million and circulating supply is also 33.6 million epic token. Epic token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.